Hello, hi, Tansi, bonjour, namaste. My name is Paige, and this is the who, what, when, where, and why to help convince you to hit subscribe, watch, and share our channel. Basically, our channel is geared to Canadian kids 8 to probably about 13, 14, somewhere around there. You know, whatever the age is when you stop wanting to listen to puppets. Anyway, it's basically for kids 8 and up who want to make money, pocket money, in their spare time. So if that's you and you know how to read and write and do basic math and how to self-regulate and be polite, those are the things that are important when you want to be a young entrepreneur. So if you know those things and you aren't afraid of puppets, you can't be afraid of puppets, and you can't be afraid of hard work. So if that's you, and you want to follow along, you want to hit subscribe right now, and welcome to Patricia with a Y's Playroom, or just plain Patricia's Playroom. But you know, if you want to find us, we are at patriciawithay.com, so that's pretty important. That why is important. The why is kind of always important. I know I'm rambling, but we are going to get started here on September 15th is when we plan to launch our first workshop video series that will cover the basics on how to make money in your spare time if you are the ages 8 and up. Yeah, that's pretty much all we're gonna focus on. This is pretty fun, and it will be exciting, and we'd love to have you join us on September 15th, 2026. It's coming soon, so you want to make sure that you are subscribed now. That's my message for today. Thank you so much. Goodbye, au revoir, arrivederci.